In this question, a hot plate of an electric oven connecting to a 220 volt line has two resistance, coil A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately in series or in parallel. What are the currents in the three cases? Means basically we have to find the current of the three different types of arrangement. In first arrangement, we are taking the separate resistor, then in series and in parallel. If you understand this question with a figure, as you see in this figure, we have three different cases. This is a case of separately used resistor. This is a case of series, and here is the parallel. So before we solve this question, we need to know that in series, current remains the same or constant, and voltage varies. Similarly, in parallel, current varies and voltage remains the same. So now we are going to use these two relations. So first, in the first case where we are using the separate resistor, this is 24 ohm of resistance and voltage is already given. So by applying the Ohm's law, we can say that V is equal to IR, voltage is 220 volt, current we have to find, resistance is 24, I is equal to 220 upon 24. So it's equal to 9.17 ampere. Now similarly, we can find the current in series arrangement. So to find the current in the series arrangement, first we have to find the total resistance of the system. So total resistance, we can use the formula R is equal to R1 plus R2. So R is equal to 24 plus 24, it's equal to 48 ohm. Now we have the total resistance. Already we have the total voltage. So if we use the Ohm's law again, V is equal to IR. So V is 220 and the current we have to find, and the resistance is 48. So I is equal to 220 upon 48. It's equal to 4.58 ampere. Now in the third case where we are using the parallel arrangement. So in parallel arrangement, if we have to find the total resistance, we can say that 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. So 2 by 24, 1 by 12. So R equivalent is equal to 12 ohm. So now resistance we have. If we have to find the current, we can apply the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. So I is equal to 220 upon 12. It's equal to 18.34 ampere. So this is the answer of the current in different cases. In the first case, the current is 9.17 ampere. In the second case, current is 4.58 ampere. And in the third case, current is 18.34 ampere. This is the answer of this question.